vakaziva mhuri yezimbabwe kusangana kwatikuita zvekare mune chimwe chirongwa nhasi rarimwe zuva. Nhasi tiriko kumagrounds ekarati tauya kuzoona a girl child performing. We have a kid by the name Makanaka Madondo who is performing under the 9 to 10 years ari kuperforma karate, and as a girl I'm so happy Mandlovu.
So feel
proud kuti a girl child is representing us.
Unozvigona here zvanga achiita zviya zvima.
Don't worry. I'm going to be a friend. Very soon I'm going to shumba
tesingachakudhererika
aiwa zvekuti murora anodherera chete zvitinenge kusina.
Siyalibingelela mhuri yeZimbabwe kuhlangana njalo namhlanje kulunye uhlelo lapha ke esizobona khona umntwana uMakanaka Madondo eperforma, okuyinto emangalisayo, okuyinto esijabulisayo ukubona umntwana oyinkazana ephumelela. Njengokuba kwazi wethu sijayele ukuba kwazi ikarate idlalwa ngabafana kuphela, kodwa ke siyajabula ukubana sibone umntwana oyinkazana esenelisa ukubana ebeparticipate njalo esenelisa ukubana ephumelela. Yilo ke uhlelo esiliphathelelana namhlanje. Njengansuku zonke siyalikhuthaza ke ukubana lisubscribe to YouTube channel yethu Drewmas Media.
Drewmas Media are taking you to another level. Zita rangu ndi Praise Zingwena.
Thadiwa nashe kuthama uMandlovu wenu ospecial.
out. On standby. 4, 3, 2, Aka. 6, 3, 6 now.
rezimbabwe regai titaure namakanaka mwanasikana achidadisa kudai. So amongst 3 countries, Zambia and Botswana, regai tinzwa kuti rwendo rwake rwakafamba sei, cause kuwina silver medal is not something which is easy amongst those countries.
That is easy chokwadi masibanda balalele emakhaya manini ke kathesi sithi ukukhuluma lo makhanaka esichasisela ukuthi ubuyenelise njani ukukwanise njani ukuthi enelise ukubana ebe ethatha isilver medal, okuyinto emangalisayo ngoba abantu adesilwa labo ade ncintisana labo bebekhanya sithi labo bale potential, kodwa yena uyenelisile ukubana ebe esenelisa ukubana ethole isilver medal.
Okay, so Makanaka, tell us about this game.
How you managed to attain the silver medal.
At first I was scared, but then my mom cheered me up. Then some of the people were older than me, but I just had to do it myself because I was fighting for that medal, and it was very hard for me to win the medal, and I did it for my parents.
So how do you feel attaining this silver medal?
I feel kind of good, kind of disappointed, because last year I got gold and this year I got silver.
So you're promising that next time you are going to have the gold medal?
Yes.
Can you tell us how was the journey, the training, till you got to where you are right now? How was it?
The training was painful. The training was real painful, and I did not have a break for this tournament, and I am happy for what I've gotten.
Besides playing karate, what other sports do you play?
I play girls soccer.
And have you gone somewhere with this play? With this?
Yes, in August this year I went to Zambia for the soccer match. Then I got a gold medal for best player.
So how is your performance academic-wise? Since you're always busy with sports, how are you able to balance your sports and your academics?
I work hard for both. Sometimes I do schoolwork, sometimes I do my sports, and last term I was number 10.
Nini ndini maiva makanaka atidadisa. Mwana anoteerera zvekuti kwete zvishoma. Achitanga karati iyi ini ndandisingazvisapoti because ndaifunga kuti karati ndeyevakomana, but baba vacho vakaramba vachiti musiye aite. Then muchambodzokera mumashure mbichana achitanga grade 1 panapa Old Windsor paitwa karati, ndobva ajoina karati yachona without our permission as parents. Saka ini ndakagomboka ndikati haungajoine sport yatisina kutaurirana, but baba vacho vakangoti musiye aite. Saka zvinhu zvekuti kana achiita anoita nemwoyo wese, and haangoita karati chete, anoita girls soccer. Even kuchechi anoparticipate zvese zvinoitwa zvinonzi mwana anoita. Hatinotoshayiwa kuti chake chaicho ndechipi. Pane pandasiya kumashure ari kucrash, aita madrummies, aitamba nevanhu vakuru kwaari zvekuti, but aiva zvezvekuti active yakanyanyisa zvezve, simba rake rakawandisa zvekuti otherwise kutozopinda mukaratika kwakutoita kuti zvinyatsoshepa. Saka ndinoda kutenda chikoro nekuidentifya talent. Ndoda kuzotenda even mateachers ake, ndoda kuvatenda kuti vari kukwanisa kuti mwana aite sport zvese neacademic. Saka ndoda kungonyatsoutenda ana Mr. Chigede, Mr. Fernando, even the headmaster. Ndoda kuvatenda ndisingakanganwe crew yeDrewmas Media kuti masarudzo omwana wangu ma-identify talent riri mumwana nekusimudziro egirl child. Ndiri kuda kutenda kuti nyika ichamuona, vanokwanisa kumubatsira kuti aenderere mberi. Anotamba soka, anotamba karate, todawo international standard. Vanokwanisa kumutraina, matrainers vanotraina internationally.
Hello everyone, my name is Chigede Robinson and I'm Deputy Sports Director for Old Windsor Primary School. We are working together with Coach Kagande and the parents to Makanaka Madondo, who is a karateka, taking part in the 10 to 11 category. This is the aftermath of the regional tournament which attracted the countries like South Africa, Botswana and Zambia. Zimbabwe was also participating, Makanaka being the Zimbabwean. We are glad that her efforts have come to fruition after she scored a silver medal in that category. We are also happy that she is a girl who has made strides to dominate in the sport that mostly is dominated by males. So we are happy about that, and we are glad that as a school we have been behind her and working together with all other stakeholders. We're talking about her family and the coaches. Makanaka is a determined girl who doesn't even respect barriers or borders. She is someone who is determined, which is seen with how she has performed now. As a department, sports department at Old Windsor, we do not discriminate as long as the child is prowess in that area. We always support through physical training and mental preparation. I've noted that she now can confidently do whatever she has to do without being led. This also cascades to even her academic performance, where she is showing that whatever we are learning in terms of confidence building, in terms of being assertive, she is incorporating that in sport and academic as well. We would like to thank the family especially for their presence and support. We know that sometimes there are a lot of hindrances in terms of excelling due to the fact that financially this is straining, but the parents sacrifice to make sure that she goes wherever it needs to be gone to be visited or participated at. And as a school, we also take part in her well-being to make sure that she achieves whatever goals she has to achieve. We would like also to thank even the media fraternity taking their time off their schedules to dedicate their times to Makanaka, which is a sign that they also go with the empowerment agenda for the girl child. Thank you.
Magadi Muri, Zimbabwe. My name is Shian Taneta Kagande. I'm a senior instructor at Jindokai Ruwa Dojo, also known as Red Empire. I managed to build the dojo with the runs, which runs as a community center as well. It is the first dojo to be built for the purpose of training karate in Southern Africa in our style Jindokai. You can find more about the dojo on my Facebook page, Red Empire. I'm also a 4th Dan Shorin-ru, 3rd Dan Aikijutsu, 2nd Dan Gojo-ru, 1st Dan Shotokan. And I'm also training karate in schools. I'm here with my student at the Korea Kofkan Karate Championship, where there are karatekas from Zimbabwe, Botswana, Zambia, and South Africa. And we have Makanaka Madondo, one of my students, represent Old Windsor Primary School in Rua, managed to scoop a silver medal in girls committee 10 to 11 years. I'm very happy with the performance. I started training Makanaka in 2022, and she is very determined in what she does. She is a very fast learner, and she can balance both academics and sports. I'm also happy for the support that she always gets from her parents and Old Windsor Primary School. It motivates her as well.
Good day, my name is Miss Simo. I'm from the Red Empire Dojo. Mainly, I deal with issues concerning girls, and if ever there are any emergencies which needs attention, I'm there to assist during the training sessions. And I'm so happy that one of our students has managed to scoop the silver medal at the just ended event.
I'm Miss Chikuni. I teach grade 5 below at Old Windsor Primary. I'm Makanaka Madondo's teacher. She joined my class this year, first term. I can say academically, Makanaka is an above average learner. And from the time I started teaching her up to now, I think she has improved a lot. Considering her academic side and sporting side, I think she's managing to balance the two, since her academic performance is now going above from what she used to be.
Okay, so if we are to judge, which side can you say she's more stronger than the other side, or where is her strength, sport or in the academic, in the classroom?
I think it's 50-50.
50-50.
Yes.
Okay.
Magadi Muria, Zimbabwe. My name is Sensei Banda. We are here at the Kurai Kofkan Championship Karate Tournament at the Glamis Arena and Miller Hall. We have so many students here from Rua Red Emperor Dojo. Tina Makanaka, Tina Isabel, Tina Potifa, Tina Luisi. Ndo wamwano wayazo participate mu tournament ino ye Kurai Kofkan Karate from Rua. I'm under Shian Tanitaka Gandhi from Rua Red Emperor Dojo. Tiri kwanisa kudzidzisa vana vakatasana Makanaka vari kuperforma zvakanaka. Kuti vasvike pavakasvika apa vari kubva mumaoko waShian Kagande. Ndiwo vakatitraina kuti tisvike patiri pano black belt pandiri. Ndakatanga ndiri white belt up to now. Ndamu black belt under his guidance. Saka ndinotenda kubva kutsigiro rwavo Shian Kagande. Saka tiri pano nhasi. We are hoping for the best. Tawyazo skupa medals mazhinji. So tine isusu tiri best kurua. Tine dojo redu riri kurua home industry site. Ndokwatinotrainera ikoko, ndokwatinowanikwa. Tinowanika kana muda kutibata pa munobata Shian Tanitaka Gande pa namba dzinotidzo 0772 293 018. Kadzokora zvekare 0772 293 018. Tinofara kuti mukauya futi nevana wenyu tinotanga kutraina kubva pa 4 years zvichikwira. Tinopinda futi muzvikoro mashi east ese takakava. Tiri kutraina kwese ikoko muzvikoro zviri under Rua kwese tiri kupinda tichitraina vana vechikoro vese vavo. So haisinyaya vana vechikoro chete, but kuna vanhu vakuru vanofarira sport yekarate. You are free to come. Hatirambizi munouya kurua ikoko. Kana munongotibata manamba dzandakupa idzozi mungofonera Shian Tanitaka Gande. Tine masensei akawanda chaizvo vakabikwa kubva mumaoko aShian Tanitaka Gande. Tina sensei Edi, tina sensei Wayne, tina sensei Tinashe, tina sensei Prosper, nema senior senpais vakawandisa chaizvo. vari kukwanisa kudzidzisa karate kubva kuruwa Red Emperor Dojo.
My name is Robson Madun, father to Makanaka. Makanaka has turned out to be a new thing in terms of this kind of sport in our family. We never thought one of us would engage in such contact sports. Usually people in our family do soccer, basketball, tennis and other light sports, but we never thought someone would come up showing such we thought I can actually call it hidden talent because but when she won gold last year at an international event, we then began to take it seriously with the support that was coming from the school. We then realized we also had to put in some effort to make sure the talent that is in here is revealed to everyone and to the world. Isusu vabereki tiri kusapota nekuti pekutanga tanga tichise vanhu vanoita zvechechi taichimbonetseka kuti zvekarate zvimwana kana zvekarate zvinofamba sei, but we are now educated in courts. We are now educated to realize, and we realize that munhu aita zvekarate zvekuti ari violent and anonetsa. Maka is well behaved and she does well. She balances her school as well as her sport. She's only not in karate, by the way. She's also into soccer. She plays soccer. She also plays hockey and many other sports. But soccer and karate are showing to be her mainstay. So, as the parents, we are supporting her all the way, and my resources are tinatsvaga kuti zvinhu zvaanoda kuti asapotwe nazvo tamuwanira, because zviri kurakidza kuti with all the support from the school, from us as a family, she can go a long way. And I want to thank you for finding time kuti muzopublishawo zvinhu zviri kuitika izvi, nekuti Makanaka is a girl child. Ari kurakidza vamwe vanasikana kuti zvinoitwa sei, nekuti masports akanakira kuti they also work against nyaya dzemadrugs dzanetsa munyika yedu mazuva ano. Mwana akaita masports saizvo totoziva kuti and anowana nguva yekuteerera makochi nekuteerera vabereki asingaite shamwari dzinofurira. Tinotenda Mwari nezuva ranhasi.
Sezvamaona mhuri yeZimbabwe kuti mwanasikana achidadisa kungowina silver medal so amongst Botswana, Zambia, Zimbabwe they are not fair. Yeah, silver medal, just imagine.
Yeah, they are not fair. Ipapu aiwa kuyajabulisa kuyathokozisa kakhulu balalele emakhaya. Nithemba libonile uMakanaka edlala ewina njalo uyenelisile kubana ebethola isilver medal, okuyinto emangalisayo, okuyinto ejabulisayo ukubana iZimbabwe iqhubeka isiya phambili ke akweze sport njalo umntwana oyinkazana uqhubeka esiya phambili, okuyinto emangalisayo kakhulu.
Mandlovu atisungori karate chete kugirl soccer anzi August tantiri kupi Zambia representing Zimbabwe again.
Apa kuchikoro futhi
ariko zvekare
kuyinto emangalisayo.
So vabereki musarambidze vana kuita masports, as long mwana achibalancisa masports and academically musiye aite because it's also health kaMandlovu.
It's very healthy. Ndambonzwa mama vachiti paakatanga karate ndakamboda kumurambidza ndikati kwewa joina sei sport usina kundiudza.
The mentality ngoni maparents kuti kana mwana aenda kuchikoro ngaite
zvemabhuku chete
basi vaite masports zvekare.
Liqiniso balale emakhaya Nthemba libonile ke limzwile njalo Makanaka ekhuluma esithi wathi ngene stage wangani uyesaba kodwa umama wakhe wakhuluma laye wamnikeza umfuliyane yokuthi you can do it and ngempela wakwenza. Ngakho ke siyakhuthaza abazali emakhaya, khuthazanini phela abantwana ukuthi benze sport. Nxa umntwana engathatha sport msekelene nini eze efike lapho afika khona. Njengansuku zonke siyalikhuthaza ukubana lisubscribe to YouTube channel yethu Drewmas Media.
Drewmas Media taking you to another level. Masivanda signing out.
Tadiwana Shekutama.
Goodbye my friends. Wakamboonana tichazoonana nerimwe zuva hama dzangu. Goodbye my friends. Goodbye my friends, wakamboonana tichazoonana nerimwe zuwa. Hama dzangu ini ndokuenda kubasa kwangu. Iwe makiwe mkaranga, iwe makiwe mkaranga, iwe makiwe mkaranga. Goodbye my friends, goodbye my friends, wakamboonana tichazoonana nerimwe zuwa. Hama dzangu, goodbye my friends, goodbye my friends, wakamboonana tichazoonana nerimwe zuwa. Hama dzangu ini ndokuenda kubasa kwangu. Iwe makiwe mkaranga, iwe makiwe mkaranga, iwe makiwe mkaranga.